Hello everyone, welcome to Question with Answer, and Day 10 for Python Interview Question and Answer for 2025. If you haven't watched previous videos, please watch it. You can find link in description below. So, whether you're preparing for an upcoming interview or just looking to sharpen your coding skills, this video is absolutely for you. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. What is difference between for loop and while loop in Python? Answer. In Python, both for and while loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times, but they differ in how they operate and when they are used. Let's discuss one by one. 1. For loop. The for loop is typically used and the number of iterations is known or determined by a sequence, such as a list, tuple, or range. It iterates over each item in the sequence and executes the code block for each item. Here is the syntax of for loop. And this is a simple example of for loop in Python. This will print numbers 0 to 4. The for loop is generally more convenient when iterating over a predefined collection or when the number of iterations is finite. 2. While loop. The while loop, on the other hand, runs as long as a given condition is true. It is useful when the number of iterations is not known beforehand and depends on a dynamic condition that can change during execution. Here is the syntax of while loop. And this is a simple example of while loop in Python. This will also print numbers 0 to 4. The while loop continues to execute as long as the condition remains true, which means it could potentially run infinitely if the condition never becomes false. Key difference. A for loop is used when you have a specific number of iterations or when iterating over a sequence. A while loop is used when the number of iterations depends on a condition that is checked before each iteration. Both loops are fundamental in Python, and understanding when to use each is key to writing efficient code. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.